Hello and welcome back to our channel. Uh, Today I decided to start a new series because uh, occasionally going over my existing scripts, I found that for some of the people who are interested in investing and like connecting investment with coding, first of all, would be necessary to understand the very basics of finance, some sort of the foundational knowledge in stock market and financial analysis. Uh, we, for those of you who went with me together over the previous scripts and tasks, feel free to skip this series because uh, that might be considered for some of you like non-efficiently spent time, but I would strongly recommend you to stay and go over the series of videos one more time because uh, knowledge is can never be exceeding, like, and especially if you are dealing with something that you want to make your source of income, never it would be overheard any information about how financial market is working and what's on it and how we should understand it and kind of feel it. uh, I will start about me. I've started going deeper into financial markets earlier this year, at the beginning actually of this year. I started with uh, some initial investment which I am doing on my own from the money that I'm earning on my regular 9 to 5 job and trying to have some solid investment base. Going over the investments, I discovered that most of the information can be obtained by coding, and that's when I started using codes. And later on, if I'm not wrong, from August, I've started recording videos and trying to share the knowledge I have. So that's about me. We went together through our previous steps of the journey, through some exciting moments, and used some nice tools to understand, to have become one step closer to financial analysis. But while these tools are amazing, I've realized that many people, including myself when I started, struggle to connect the dots without a solid understanding of the basics. And this series is designed for everyone who wants to learn the fundamentals of stocks and financial markets, whether you are completely new or someone who used the tool like we used before but wants to understand the why behind the numbers and why behind the reasons that we are actually coding this stuff. So why do basics matter? We live in a time that we are surrounded by advanced analytical tools, trading platforms, data visualizations, and some of those we even created ourselves. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or think, do I really need to understand this? I can see numbers and they look pretty, so I'll make a move. So, do I really need to understand all of this? Well, my answer will be yes, absolutely. Because we are here using the tools which can be considered some of the floors of your building, but we started with like in the task one, getting the stock data. We started with very basics, but it's never exceeding level of knowledge to go over the basics one more time. Uh, whether we are uh, long-term investors or traders, knowing the basics empowers to make informed decisions, use data-driven strategies, and avoid common mistakes that come off from the lack of the foundational knowledge. Uh, I've seen firsthand how a strong foundation and the basics allow to use advanced tool more efficiently. And I did some uh, unsuccessful trades without going into the basics and understanding what and why. So I've learned it the hard way. I will try to help you learn it easier way before making an investment step on it. What will be upcoming? In this series, we will cover topics that are essential for anyone starting in financial world. We will go over the so-called stocks 101, understanding what the stock market is and how it works. We will go over stock metrics, a beginner kind of a level. We will go over some guidance on the key metrics like PE ratio, EPS, and others. We will try to understand fundamental and technical analysis and how to use those knowledge to evaluate the company's health and predict price movements and kind of try to stay ahead of what's coming. I will go together with you through some of the tools which I am using and the platforms. Basically, I'm spending most of the time in platform Robinhood, so we will go over it. I have also accounts in Charles Schwab and Fidelity, so I will try to help you going there as well. It might seem a complex thing for you right now, but I will do my best to keep it simple and relatable. So by the end of the series, you'll have a solid foundation to build on. And of course, I will be happy to answer any of questions that you might have in the comments to my videos. So we will keep in touch interactively. So if you are ready to start your journey into the financial world, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like to this video and to others, and please turn on notifications in case you don't want to miss the next video. Any specific questions or topics you want me to cover, just drop them in the comments to this video. Would be happy to make this kind of on-demand sessions, like give what interests you more. I have my learning plan which I just shared with you, but of course I would be happy to go with you over the topics that you are interested in. And remember that each and every great journey starts with a single step. Let's take that step together, unlock the secrets of the financial world. I'm not saying that I will give you miracles, but I will help you to understand what's going on behind the numbers that we all see in the dashboards or applications. So, see you in the next video.